SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
In this video, we're going to show you 3 tips for the Safari browser on your iPhone that you might not know. So if you use the Safari browser and you're looking to improve your experience, then hopefully some of these tips are going to help you out. The first Safari tip that we're going to discuss is for a feature called Reader Mode. If you often go to web pages and you're distracted by the ads and other page elements, and you just want to view the content and the images, then Reader Mode is the perfect solution. You can activate Reader Mode by opening Safari, going to a page where you want to view the content, then tapping these 2 little A buttons at the top left. You can then choose the Show Reader option, and that'll switch the display of the page over to this, and you can see the content and the images. Now, if you don't like the black background and white text, then you can also change the display layout. So if I chose the white option, then we'd have a white background and black text. You can also change the size of the font, and you can even change the font style itself. Once you're done, you just tap those A buttons again and choose Hide Reader, and you're back to the original page layout. The second tip involves another way that you can clear the history in the Safari browser. If you've cleared the history before, then you might have gone into the Settings app, scrolled down and selected the Safari option, then scroll down and tap the Clear History and Website Data button. But there's another way that you can do this, which will not only be faster, but it can also give you the option to choose the amount of time that you would like to clear the history for. So if you open the Safari tab, touch the Bookmarks icon, then tap the History tab at the top right corner of the screen, you're going to see the pages that you viewed recently. But if you tap and hold on this Clear button, it's going to bring up some options for ways to remove the history, cookies, and other browsing data for all time, today and yesterday, today, or the last hour. So if you only want to delete some of your history, then you can just choose the appropriate option. The third and final Safari tip is one that's going to be useful if you use your bookmarks a lot. If you do bookmark a lot of pages, then you're probably used to going to Safari, tapping the book icon, then selecting the Bookmarks tab at the top of this screen. But if you want to get to your bookmarks a little more quickly, then you just need to tap and hold on the Safari icon, and then select the Show Bookmarks option, and that'll take you to that page directly. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic, and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit SolveYourTech.com.